Nung isang taon, tinanggal niya yung brief niya all the way eh.
Oh?
Oo, nung isang taon.
Wala mali siya, wala.
Ito, mild pa nga eh.
John Estrada with a putback. Getting 2 points plus a foul. Anything can happen. 2 minutes and 3 seconds remaining. A miss by Estrada. Primero with the offensive rebound. He misses that one completely. John Estrada about to throw one. A three. Mintis. Mike Magat for the rebound. Looks like it's called for a loose ball foul. Philip Salvador moving to the middle. And Dinky Dude Jr. somewhere there. Another bucket, Willie Revillame. The difference for the blue team is Jordan De Rosa's come-uppance in the third quarter.
Yun ang malaking bagay. They were down by 5.